Buying a Borla exhaust for your GMC, yeah? Are you? Don't make the same mistake I did. Alright, so if you see my past or previous videos, I installed this Borla S-Type exhaust on my truck, alright? So the S-Type sounds good, but I want a little bit more sound out of it. So what I'm going to do is add this polyphonic harmonizer. It's part number 60680. It can be added to the S-Type system to attain the ATAK sound level. So if you buy the S-Type, you can buy it, and if you're not happy with it, you can change out this section right here with this part, with this component, and you'll be able to achieve the level of the ATAK. So basically I'll be putting this in, right, in place of this. So that's what I'm going to do today. And right now I'm going to start my truck up, get a sound before, and then I'm going to install this and I'll get a sound after. All right, let's get this done. Now keep in mind, this is not a cold start because the truck was running for a while, so just keep that in mind. Section put in here to see what the difference is. So this is what I'm after right here. Gonna be replacing this section, and we just need, I think it's a 15 millimeter. 15 mil. All right. I'm probably gonna have to loosen up everything else too to get this out of here. I'm hoping I can just drop this down up front. What I have to do is loosen up all the back sections, so I'm gonna try my damnedest just to loosen up the front section so I can get this harmonizer out of here. 13 mil. Grommets off. All right. Okay. Come on, man. There we go. All right, so that's loose there. Good. I got it out. I got it out. All right, I just got to get this off. Without tearing up the donut up front, I'll be good. All right. Okay. I'm glad I decided to do this before they started rusting on there. So yeah, I'm going to be replacing this with this. I think this is going to sound a whole lot different. Okay, just like that. Get that back up under there. So. Okay, that one's on. That one's on. All I gotta do is tighten it back up now. Bada bing. Okay. Make sure that gap is shut, closed. Okay. Rear ratchet, or battery ratchet, I should say. Okay. Make sure that's good and tight. And that's nice and crooked. I want to make sure this is straight. And I also recommend coming in back a couple days later and tighten all these up after the exhaust has got warm. Okay, pretty good there. All right, let's see here. What I noticed, all the money they charge for these trucks, man, there's really not a whole lot of shit to them underneath them anyway, my opinion. This is my opinion though. That's it, man. Change that shit out in like 15 minutes. Done. See how this bad boy sounds now. All right. I replaced that harmonizer, so let's see what we got now. If you get the S-Type and they give you this, you can replace it with that harmonizer. But my recommendation is don't even start here. Don't even start here, man. Just order the ATAK exhaust. Sounds way better. That's what I should have done from the beginning, but I didn't know how aggressive it was going to be. So hey, $200 mistake on my part, but you don't have to make that mistake. Yeah, so in closing, like I said, I made that $200 mistake from the beginning. I should have known better, so you don't have to. So if you're gonna buy that exhaust for your Chevy or your Ford or your Dodge or whatever, I just bypass all that and just go straight with the ATAK instead of using the S-Type. So, but I hope this video helps somebody out there, and I hope someone watches this and doesn't make the mistake that I made. All right, so thanks for watching. I'm on the next one, a couple more projects, and yeah, I hope everybody has a good weekend. I'm out.